Today on Knowing the 925, we are going to go on the Livermore Wine Trolley. I'm so excited. Let's go check it out. As local realtors, my team and I are often asked about the places in our town. I want to share some of our favorite businesses with you. I'm Kerry Cross with the Cross Group at Intero Real Estate, and this is Knowing the 925. Thank you so much for having me. Tell me what you have going on here.
Thanks for having me. So we are the Livermore Wine Trolley. My name is Brian Luke. I'm the owner and founder of the Livermore Wine Trolley. And we offer all-inclusive wine tours throughout the year here in the Livermore Valley. We pick up and drop off in downtown Livermore. And we also offer private charters for people who just want to rent out the trolley. And then we also do special events throughout the year. We've got 4 trolleys. They are air conditioned and heated. It's our 36 passenger. In the summer times, we're able to take off the side panels, so it is kind of open air. We're available 7 days a week. Our tours are open to the public every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but we are available for corporate groups or just private groups. We seat about 18 on our tours, and the tours include 3 wineries. All the tasting fees are included, lunch is included. It's about 11 o'clock to 4 o'clock, and then at the wineries, the groups are able to get some education on the area, the region, and then if they decide to purchase any bottles, they do get discounts. And then we drop them off back downtown, where we also have restaurants that offer exclusive discounts to trolley riders. We partnered with over 20, 25 wineries here in the Livermore Valley, so our tours do switch up. We came on this Saturday, you could go to a different 3 wineries the next Saturday.
We just finished our day on the Livermore Wine Trolley. We had so much fun. We went to some amazing wineries, learned all about some wine, had a lot to drink. It definitely was a great time. I'm going to put all the information below. You have to come check it out, and we'll see you next time on Knowing the 925.